Killer identity. Scene 1. The vigilante. Interior. Abandoned warehouse. Night. Rain lashes against the corrugated iron walls. The air hangs thick with the smell of decay and damp earth. The only light source is a flickering street lamp outside, casting long, distorted shadows. Kristina, 30s, intense, eyes blazing with a cold fury, stands over the body of a man, his face contorted in a silent scream. Blood pools around him.
This is for all the others.
She carefully places a single, blood-stained playing card, the Queen of Spades, on the victim's chest. Her movements are precise, almost ritualistic.
Justice is served.
She wipes her hands on her jeans, her expression devoid of emotion. She glances around the warehouse, her eyes sharp, assessing. A faint smile touches her lips.
But the game's far from over.
She pulls a small, worn, leather-bound journal from her pocket, flips to a blank page, and writes something with a blood-soaked pen. A chilling smirk plays on her lips as she carefully places the pen on the journal and leaves it, along with a single white rose, on the victim's chest.
Next.
She melts into the shadows, disappearing into the darkness as quickly and silently as she arrived, leaving only the body and the grim tokens of her presence behind. The rain continues to fall. Fade to black. Scene 2. Sarah's awakening. Interior. Abandoned warehouse. Night. Rain lashes against the corrugated iron walls. The air is thick with the metallic scent of blood. A single bare bulb swings precariously from the ceiling, casting long, distorted shadows. Sarah, 30s, frail, eyes wide with terror, lies curled on the damp concrete floor, clutching her head. Her breathing is shallow, ragged.
No.
She pushes herself up, her hands trembling. She sees the body. A man, brutally murdered. A leather-bound journal and a single white rose lie on his chest. Fragments of memory flash through her mind. A blinding rage, the metallic tang of blood, the satisfying crunch of bone.
It wasn't me. Was it?
She recoils, her body racked with sobs. The fragmented memories intensify a shadowy figure towering over her as a child, the sting of a belt, the chilling echo of laughter. She clutches at her head, as if trying to hold back a tidal wave of pain.
Mama. Papa.
A wave of nausea washes over her. She crawls back, her eyes fixed on the blood-soaked journal. A single word is scrawled across the open page in blood. Justice.
Justice?
She shakes her head violently, trying to dispel the horrific images assaulting her senses. The rain outside intensifies, mirroring the storm raging within her.
It wasn't justice. It was murder.
Tears stream down her face, mingling with the rain that finds its way into the warehouse. She collapses back onto the floor, overwhelmed by the weight of her fragmented memories and the horrifying realization of what she, or rather a part of her, has done.
Oh God, what have I done?
Fade out.